Is it inspired by real life? There's a lot of reference.
No, not really.
Yeah.
See, when you make a film, it's basically a fiction. But when you talk about 70s, you look at reference points.
Yeah.
You watch old films, old underworld films to understand how they behaved that way, that time, and things like this. Then when you talk about the 70s and underworld, there's only one man which comes to your mind, that is Haji Mastan. And he was also a reference point. But the film is completely fiction, and the character is something which we have created.
Okay, but there are reports in the paper that Haji Mastan's family is not too thrilled about.
I think the case is in the court, and I think the judgment came out today. So I think things are settled. I think. Okay. When they see the film, they'll know that there's nothing of that sort.
But tell me, was the Don you're playing is a good-hearted Don, the guy who believes in principle, who does not deal in drugs, and does such a Don exist?
I don't know in today's times, but some references when we had, there were some people who believed in their morals and things like this, principles.
Including Don Corleone from The Godfather.
Yeah, he was also he was also something like this.
Something like this, but. Tell me, so how did you play this character? You studied any character, any movie?
Not much. I don't know. As I told you, we just went through some reference points, and then we made our own character, and then we tried to understand what would be the attitude, what would be the behavior, what will be his approach, and once you discuss that, and then you just go in front of the camera and just keeping everything in mind, you just flow with it.